How to access your Google Classroom. If you are on your Gmail, all you need to do is just click on this grid and find the classroom icon. Currently, this is the classroom that you are enrolled in. If you don't want to use the Gmail, you can click on the New tab and type classroom.google.com and you will be redirected to the classroom. To check on the materials or the assignments posted, you will see that you have here the due dates and you can click on the link to visit them. But if you want to check on everything, click on the classroom. And this is your course stream. This is where you will see the announcements of the teachers. And this is the Classwork tab. This is where you will see all the materials and classroom assignments. If you want to answer an assignment, you can visit the Classwork tab and click on the specific assignment. If you click on the assignment, you will see the instructions and the attachments. You can also click View Assignment to further check the details. What you can see here are the instructions, the points, the due date, and the file if there is a template provided by the teacher. To answer the assignment using the template given by the teacher, make sure that you click on this link and you will be redirected to the file itself. Here, if you can see that you have your name above, that means that this paper is yours. You are to edit this and submit to the teacher. You don't need to make a copy. You can directly type your answers here. If you're done answering, double-check your work and click Turn In. After clicking Turn In, you will see that you still have the blue button which says Turn In. Click that and double-check, and if you are sure to submit, click Turn In. If not, click Cancel. Let's click Turn In. You will notice that after clicking Turn In, the label changes from Assigned to Turn In. As much as possible, don't click Unsubmit if you have already submitted, unless you have informed your teacher that your paper is incorrect. If you click Unsubmit, the teacher will know, and Google Classroom will email the teacher that you have unsubmitted your work. You can also add private comments to your teacher. Remember, the comments will just be between you and your teacher. If you don't want to use the template given by the teacher, you may click on this Add or Create button. You can add files from your Google Drive, from your computer, or create your new document. If you choose to add files from your computer, click File. Click Browse and find your document. Note that whatever you upload here will be saved to your Google Drive. If you want to create your new file, click Add or Create button. This time, choose whatever app you want to work on. If you want the Google Docs, click this icon and automatically a file will be created for you. To edit your file, click on this Google Docs and you will be redirected to its editing page. You can upload as many files as you want and turn in at once. check on your work, and click Turn In. To check your remaining works, click on the subject link, and you will see in the course stream your upcoming works. You can click View All. If you have a lot of classes, you can just click on this drop-down menu and see all the works that you have in all your classes. If you want a specific subject, click on the drop-down menu and click the subject. You will also see what's been assigned to you, what you have missed, and what you have already done. This is what you call the To-Do page. To go back to your classroom, click on the three dots, which is the main menu, and choose your classroom. You can also further check your specific classworks by visiting your Classwork tab again. If you have received a question like this, you can directly type your answer without creating a Google Docs. And you can directly turn in. You can still add private comments to your teacher. And you're all set.